Hello, Dr. Noah St. John here, and congratulations for signing up for my weekly Power Habits Tracker. All right, so what I'm going to do here in this quick video is I'm going to show you exactly how you can get the most from exactly what I'm giving you here, which is your weekly Power Habits Tracker. Now, what I've been teaching for 30 years and helping people make millions and millions of dollars is what I call the power habits of unconsciously successful people. Now, what that means is that highly successful people are doing things unconsciously that they don't even know they're doing, number one, and therefore, number two, they can't teach it to you. So I spent a lifetime really mastering these habits, learning what they are. And the funny thing about it is these unconsciously successful people, they actually can't tell you what they did. All right. So that's why I did it. And that's why I've written 25 books about it. And that's what my coaching and everything else is about, is helping people just like you to install these unconscious habits of highly successful people. So this is one of them. All right. And so I'm giving you this right here in this program. So it's very simple. There are two sheets here. And if you're not familiar with Google Sheets, it's very simple. You just go to your Google account. And when you go to this link right here, it's called the Weekly Power Habits Tracker. First thing you do is you hit File, and then you say make a copy. All right. So the point is you have to make a copy for yourself because right now this is read only and you won't be able to actually use it. So you need to put a copy in your own Google Drive. All right. So you just, you label it like that or label wherever you want, put it in the folder and just say make a copy. Okay. So you just do it like that. And let's see, if you do it like that, it'll just come up like this. And there you go. All right. So it'll come up in your own, Google Drive. Okay. So I'm going to walk you through this. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 different things that you want to do each day. And you notice this doesn't take hours and hours of your day. All right. There are 168 hours in a week. All right. So what you're doing is every day you're doing just a few minutes each day to install these power habits. Okay. And of course, I have books and coaching and programs to help you do this, but this is something that can get you started right now today. You can absolutely start this wherever you are, whenever you are, you can absolutely start this. Okay, so first thing we do is a morning reflection and daily intention. You want to take a moment to reflect on your top goals and visualize achieving them with ease. All right, now that takes just about 5 minutes a day. All right, so then when you do it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, you just simply give yourself a checkbox, right? I did it on Monday, I did it on Tuesday, and so on. Next, physical movement. You want to begin your day with some sort of movement, all right? The human body was meant to move, right? And what is the problem? So many people just spend their entire day just sitting in front of their computer, staring at it, and they're sedentary. And that's a big problem, for your health, but also for your mind and body. All right. So very, very important to just begin your day. And it doesn't have to be hours at the gym. All right. We don't have time for that, most people, right? A short walk, stretching, or exercise, yoga, energizes you and improves your focus. All right. So 5-10 minutes, that's all I'm asking, right? Again, you mark it off that I did it. Then identify your top 3 priorities. Identify and list the top 3 tasks that will move you closer to your goals today and aim to accomplish those first. Why do I say that? Because what do? Right? So many people, first thing they wake up, they check their phone, they're scrolling on social media, boom, you've already lost the day. You've already gone. It's already gone before you even got out of bed. Don't do that. Don't do that to yourself. Another problem is you get to the office, whether you work from home or you work in an office, what's the first thing you do? Check social media, check your email. No, you want to make sure that you are in charge, that you're claiming your power. That's one of the big power habits that I help people with. All right. So again, you want to get those done first. Focus. So you win the day right in the first few minutes. Then you want to do affirmations. You want to spend your time with affirmations, repeat them aloud, or write them down to reinforce positive beliefs. Now, if you're not familiar with my affirmations method, you definitely want to either get my book of affirmations published by Hay House here, or you can also go to affirmations.com, which I will bring up right here. You go to affirmations.com, and you can actually absolutely get my affirmations method, my affirmations advantage program. All right. Very, very important that you start using affirmations as opposed to affirmations. All right. And yes, that is a new word for some of you. Some of you, of course, may have found out about me through affirmations, but you absolutely want to start using affirmations. All right. Very, very important. And also, I even have an affirmations journal. Just go on Amazon and type in Noah St. John affirmations journal, and you can get that as well. A lot of people love that and use it every day. Then finally, so you're going through your day. Now we get to the evening reflection. Look back on your day, celebrate any wins, note any areas for improvement, and set your goals for tomorrow. All right. So again, only 5 minutes. That's very easy. And finally, a gratitude moment. Write down one thing you're grateful for Ending the day with gratitude helps you go to sleep with a positive mindset. Again, what do you not want to not do? Watch the news, doom and gloom, blah, blah, blah. You know, the world is ending and blah, blah, blah. All right. No. You want to make sure that you're feeding positive things into your brain. Now, I want you to notice something very, very simple here, but very powerful. You're in charge of all of this. You can do all of this. My job is to empower my clients, to empower you. That means you have more power than you think. But if we're constantly being a victim and we're saying, oh, I can't do it, I don't have the time, I don't have the money, I can't afford it. No, you have so much more power than you think. All right, so here it is right here. All of these. Notice this is simple, simple, simple. Now, here's another sheet that I want you to use. And again, you can do the same thing. Make a copy right here. And this is just another way to look at it. Okay, so if you said morning reflection, 5 minutes, done, 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 set your intention. I'm capable and focused. I'm patient and kind. I'm creative and resourceful and so on. Physical movement, a walk, yoga, stretching. You can go for a run, go to the gym if you want. Hike, rest. You could rest on Sunday. That's okay. It's it's very common to have a day of rest. That's no problem. All right. Then what are your top 3 priorities? Task A, B, C, D, etc. Did I do my affirmations? Did I do my evening reflection? And did I do my gratitude moment? What am I grateful for? I have a roof over my head, my health, my family, my friends, my job, the sunshine, a good book, So there's so many things to be grateful for. And why is that so important? Well, it's very simple, because the more that you're grateful for, the more you have to be grateful for. The more that you're thankful for what you have, the more you'll have to be grateful for. All right, so first thing you want to do is do those copies. Also get my affirmations program, but also, if you have not already done so, go to breakthroughwithnoah.com. If you'd like some help with all of this, this is what I've been doing for 30 years. I've helped people just like you to make millions and millions and millions of dollars. All right. And so go to Breakthrough with Noah. And what I'll do is I will walk you through this entire system and get you from going the old way of guesswork and trial and error and outdated tactics and overwhelm and slow and frustrating progress to clear and proven system, effective strategies, and consistent profit with confidence. All right, you can see some of the celebrities who love my work: Jenny McCarthy, Gary Vaynerchuk, Stephen Covey, and then real people, real results. Brittany, I helped her go from 0 to 8 figures. Stacy's bringing in money while she sleeps. Tim, I helped him get to 7 figures in less than 2 years. You can watch these videos. His business is up 800%. Tamisa tripled her investment in 2 weeks of coaching with me. Yes, 2 weeks, she tripled her investment. She doubled her business in 12 months. And on and on and on and on. All right. So if it worked for them, why not you? If it worked for them, why not you? So that's what I want you to do. Very simple. Just go to here, breakthroughwithnoah.com. Just pick your time here. Boom. Just select a time, answer a few questions, and we'll get on the phone. You'll either get on the phone or get on a Zoom with me or one of my coaches, and we'll walk you through my system. It's going to be very, very powerful for you. So make sure you do that right now if you have not already done so. Book your call now if you want some help, if you want to scale up, and if you want to have more time, more energy, better relationships, and more money without the overwhelm, without the stress. Go to breakthroughwithnoah.com. Book your time now. Use these power habits and let me know. You can write to me. Hit me up on Facebook, on YouTube, on LinkedIn. Let me know how you're using my power habits trackers. And for everyone here at successclinic.com, I'm Dr. Noah St. John, and I'll see you real soon. Bye-bye for now.